Hi guys, today we are going to do a one, like I just did, accidentally pressed it, but it was good. I'm about to go, I'm just in bed, had a long day, just sitting home playing with surfers all day. With a monster board and power up, speed up, yeah. Come on, phone, stop being glitchy. Oh man, stop it. Stop it, phone, stop making me lose. I didn't even get that last coin, I'm so angry. So let's go. You can tell because of my voice. I'm about to sleep in 1 hour. I'm a little sick, huh? I'm a little sick, huh? But I've got a little migraine. Ow. Hurts. Ouch. I keep pressing hoverboard and so silly. Wait, oh, come on, guys. Hoverboard super protection. You know, superpower speed up on your hoverboard. It makes yours go faster. If you didn't know. I'm using Taha, if you're wondering. Taha. From a challenge. And I've also got almost 2,000 coins. 2,000 coins. 2,000 coins. 2,000 coins. 2,000 coins. 2,000 coins are so cool. 2,000 coins are so cool. You know what song I was singing? 2,000 coins are so cool. I've got 2,000 coins right now. Key, I've got a K. A K. I've got a cans. Collect the cans. Collect the cans. Collect the K's. Collect the cans. The cans. Collect the K's. Collect the cans and K's and what? I'm trash at this game. I'm trash at this game, bro. Bye, guys. Hope you had a nice day. Hope you had a wonderful day. Bye.